Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Ever feel like you're spinning your wheels, working hard, but not really getting anywhere? Like you're missing a key ingredient to really achieve your goals? Well, you might be missing out on the power of the Research, Plan, Execute, Repeat Loop, or RPER for short. The RPER Loop is simple but incredibly effective framework for continuous improvement in achieving your goals, whatever they may be. It's about taking a structured and iterative approach to learning and progress, constantly refining your actions to get better results. So, how does it work? Let's break it down in 4 stages. Number 1, research. This is where you lay the groundwork, gather information, explore different perspectives, and really dive into the subject matter of your goal. Whether you're trying to learn a new language, write a novel, working on a project at work, or even just trying to improve your cooking skills, thorough research is essential. Number 2, plan. Next, it's time to create a roadmap. Set clear, specific objectives and break down your larger goal into smaller, more manageable steps. Develop a strategy outlining the resources you'll need, potential obstacles, and how you'll overcome them. A well-defined plan is crucial for staying focused and motivated. Number 3, execute. This is where the rubber meets the road. Put your plan into action and start working towards your goal. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, but make sure to track your progress along the way. This allows you to see what's working, what's not, and make adjustments as needed. Number 4, repeat. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take a step back and evaluate your results. What went well? What could be improved? What did you learn from the process? Use this feedback to refine your approach, adjust your plan, and start the cycle all over again, armed with new knowledge and insights. Now, you might be thinking, does this really work? Well, research suggests it does. A study titled Goals, Plans, and Firm Performance, a Contingency Approach, published in the Academy of Management Journal, found that cyclical iterative processes result in more success than less structured approaches. So whether you're aiming for a promotion, training for a marathon, building a project at work, or just trying to learn a new hobby, remember the power of the RPER loop. It's a simple formula that leads to your success. Your move. Hey, thanks so much for listening to the show. Please make sure to click the follow button on your podcast app so you never miss a new episode of the show. And of course, it's free. And don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter at brandoncwhite.com. We'll see you in the next episode.